Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by shutting off the water and removing the toilet. This exposes the cast iron flange so you can see damage directly. Once the bowl is out, scrape old wax and inspect for hairline cracks or rust. You need to know if the flange is salvageable. Make sure you have a flange repair kit and epoxy putty at hand, plus a reciprocating saw for precise cuts. This saves time and prevents surprises when you begin replacing or reinforcing the flange. You now remove the failing flange section. Cut only the flange, not the cast iron pipe, so the pipe integrity remains. Once removed, clean the spigot and pipe face thoroughly. Any debris prevents a good seal. If using epoxy putty, press it into cracks and let it cure fully. For a clamping repair ring, position and tighten evenly to compress the gasket. Make sure the replacement flange seats flat and the new stainless bolts are aligned for the toilet. You finish by placing a fresh wax ring or wax-free seal and lowering the toilet carefully onto the new flange bolts, pressing straight down to seat the ring. Once seated, tighten nuts alternately and only snug so you avoid cracking the porcelain. Then reconnect the water and run a full flush to inspect for leaks. If it rocks or leaks, lift and install small shims or reseat the flange. Common cause is misalignment. Make sure the flange plane is level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.